Today I'm going to show you how to find the circumference of a circle in terms of pi. So we've looked at answers and problems with when given the diameter or the radius when we have calculated using pi as 3.14. We know we use the equation circumference equals pi times diameter. So you can see that the diameter is the distance across. Okay, so we've got two examples. Example 1, we're given the diameter of 15 centimeters. So the distance across the entire circle is 15 centimeters. So I'm going to start by writing the equation C equals pi times diameter. We know again that the diameter is 15 centimeters, so that will be pi times 15. So our circumference will be equal to 15 pi. If I leave my answer in terms of pi, that means I'm leaving pi in my answer, the symbol pi. So if you are asked a question of leave your answer in terms of pi, that's it, 15 pi. Let's look at this second example. In the second example, we're given the radius, not the diameter, and we're told that it is a radius of 4.5 inches. So I'm going to start with circumference equals pi times diameter. I could have also written circumference equals 2 pi r. Same thing, because 2 times the radius equals that diameter. So we know our diameter to be 9. So circumference equals pi times 9. And if I want to leave my answer in terms of pi, again, I'm not going to multiply by 3.14. I'm going to leave pi in my answer, and that's it.